What is up, you guys? We're back here out at Fish Creek. You know, last time I tried to record this, it like went very bad. Now my phone is just getting on my legs, so all you're gonna see is my legs. But hopefully, like that, you can see everything. Sorry, there's some people back behind us that are. I'm out here with my dad and stuff, and just I'm hoping today I can just hook up. Really want a big one today, but you know it is what it is. Everyday bass fishing is like you have to chase your PB, or else they call you mental. Oh, I might have one. I got one. Oh man, shit! I didn't realize that. Oh, sorry guys. Man, it's frustrating. So I just got out here. You didn't miss a whole lot. I caught a bluegill when I was jigging. Bluegill are crazy around here. You drop anything down there and they'll... Oh, there might be one on it. I'm just gonna... Oh my gosh. I was doing it yet. I don't know, it might be crappy out here, who knows. There were a lot of boats, though. Like, at the boat dock over there, there was a lot. Of course, weeds. My favorite thing. You know, just moving along. Casting. It's usually one of the best bass lake I know, but they don't hold big ones in here. Oh, snake. So many snake after snake after snake out here. So, really sucks. Bunch of cows behind me, because this is like on the other side of this lake, like over there, it's like pasture land and stuff, and like this guy has like a cow, and I mean, not a cow, a lot of cows. Well, I don't know, I've only seen what he has of the group behind me, but who knows, he could have a lot more. I'm just praying today's a good day. It's like what, 5:30 right now, so I'm just praying for some fish. I don't know, I might have to cast them open because it's so weedy. Oh, well, my dad got one over there. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but there's a big old splash. But, it is what it is. That's the first sign of life out here today. Obviously not overall, because I've fished this lake many times, and bro, why is it like this? I don't know. This spot, excuse me, might be washed. Keep on hitting the camera. Oh, it was on weeds. That's why. I'm only gonna let it sink for a little and then just jig it. Give it like 3 seconds. And then just pop it up. I don't know. They got one. Clearly a little angry, but that's okay. Yeah, I can't blame them. I was mad at Alice. that last one. That spot back there is usually good. But I don't know, I'm just getting straight to it, and all those other people were there, so I was like, I'ma just get out of here as fast as I can. And hopefully, like, it will, like, just, or like, I don't even know, bro. I'm just, it's not too hot out here. It's probably like 85-ish. Of course, there's some freaking dragonflies on the top. Oh my, shit, making love. Like, bro, get the, what a bummer. You know, there's a lot of fish out here. Lots more fish than I've caught, obviously. Now, if you like my videos, just like and subscribe and let me know what you'd like for me to do next. Because, like, genuinely, a lot of this stuff is, like, I don't do this a lot. Like, I can't be one of those YouTubers who upload every day. Obviously, I can because all those other YouTubers are, like, out of work and stuff, and they don't have jobs. But I don't know, next year I'm probably gonna get a job and I won't be posting as much. So get the best of me as you can right now, but I don't know, this is probably not even the best of me. The water is like so calm. It's ridiculous. Like, it's honestly just shocking to me. I'm surprised though. Like, I thought I was gonna be, I thought I would know this, but guess not. Bro, those guys are getting hammered over there. I'm not getting any action. Oh, there we go. There we go, there's one. Oh, it's a little guy though. Hook up. Don't drag me into the weeds, and please don't come off. Oh, he wants a beaut. No. Are you on a frog? Okay. Oh, guys. Sorry you didn't get the best view of this fish. Look how... oh, sorry. Look how green this fish is, bro. Look. This is a beautiful fish. Look at that beautiful fish. Well, swim away, buddy. Look, you guys can see. I want to use my head mount out here. Guys, if you're seeing this, please let me know if I should use my head mount. Because I want to, but I feel like it's not, like, safe enough. But that's why I need to get a GoPro. But I low-key don't have money to buy a GoPro. I gotta buy a new reel for this rod. But, like, look, like, this reel is not so goes with this rod. It just broke when I was kayak fishing with a buddy like last week, maybe 2 weeks, and it just and it was just crazy that it just snapped. Like, it just like snapped right off, like the metal in it just broke. Does anybody else hate when you're, holy smokes, bro? I'm honestly so bad at recording now. I've got one. I think my dad has. Oh, that's a big take. There we go. Oh no, he still has it. Yep, he's still on. Oh, my reel's getting held up. God dang it, my reel. Oh my gosh. Like, there's this thing where it, like, stops reeling and stuff. the whole entire new reel. But whatever. I might have to go search out rods pretty soon. I hate it when this stuff happens, when your reel sells you, bro. Maybe that is me, but who knows, bro? Who knows if it's my fault? Probably it's my fault. And then this happened. You guys can't currently see it, but like, there we go. My like leader thingy got like wrapped around the line and no. It is so calm. Like, I mean, I've said this a million times already, but like, I'm not exaggerating. This lake is usually pretty windy. Even though it has these kind of hills over it, it's usually pretty windy. It's weird though that it's not windy today. But it makes sense, it's not high wind, so obviously it's not gonna be windy. Ooh, that's right where I wanted it to. Come on, fishy. Oh man. Oh no, I still have it. Okay, I don't know, like, I am selling the bait right now. And, like, look at that. Look. You guys probably can't see my line. Look. Bluegill, stop fucking around with my line. Let the bass come and get it. Her bluegill, there's a little weed bed right here, and the bluegill are absolutely all over it. They are just loving it. They're like, when a dog rolls over in like grass or something. That's what they look like, bro. It's funny. Oh, I got one. What the? See, this is why I hate fishing sometimes. Like, if you're gonna bite, like, bite. Like, I mean, clamp. Like, look at that shiny little part of the lure and eat. Like, bro, I ain't gonna hurt you. Okay, I'm out. This is pissing me off. This is gonna piss me the fuck off. Shouldn't say finna gonna piss me off. It is pissing me off. This is where the giant one is. But whatever. I hate it. Oh, wait, that might be a take. That's a take. Oh, man. Fuck the bluegill. Like, watch. That's a bluegill. Because you can feel it vibrate. Because when they swim, they go, and they like vibrate so much. Like, I need to actually get out of here. I understand that there's gonna be bluegill all over this lake, but like, this spot has been one of the worst. Oh, there's a turtle up there. Dang, I was gonna catch it. I've caught like one the whole time I've ever fished it. Like, look, you can see it. If only I put glasses on. Like, I'm an idiot to not bring like all of my gear and stuff. Oh, there's a little bass. Like, I mean, that bass was tiny. Definitely was probably the size of my lure, honestly. But I'm gonna cast into these weeds, cause who knows, bro? But I have to do it fast, cause if I do it like too slow, like, look at that. There's a bluegill. I shouldn't be excited for the bluegill because it's a little jackasses. It's got to the point where I'm not even like, I'm just like, it's beautiful. But too bad it's not like this like everywhere. It's like this clear, but that's the bottom and it's deeper because you obviously don't want that shallow. Oh. God damn. Guys, you guys are selling me, chat. Shut. You're selling me. Chat. Let me know in chat. Bro, I hate when streamers do that shit, bro. Unless it's a guy that goes like this and it goes blah, 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 blah. You know? You're not understanding because they're just... Oh, shit. That might be a fish. Yep, that's a fish. Come on, stay on. Oh, second fish. Oh, dude, I paused for a second because I was like, I thought that, bro, these fish, bro. I don't know what they're using wackies too, but beautiful fish. You know, they're really getting their coloring in right now, and it's like beautiful. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Gotta have a little fun. You know, that resets our confidence, and 2 fish. Pretty good. But are they micro? Ah, you... Ow! Stop flopping like a fish. I'm pretty sure he just ripped his whole entire fucking mouth open, maybe. Chance. Oh, yeah, he ripped it open. Oh my gosh, you idiot, bro. I'm just trying to unhook you. Oh, he got me good in the finger. And he just splashed me. But, thank you, fishy. Thank you a lot, though. I mean, like, literally, thank you so much. Like, when fish bite, like, I can't understand how people say that, like, carp and catfish are, like, trash fish. I don't get it. Like, I just don't. Like, one time I was fishing at a pier where they throw, like, cheese balls out, and, like, you can go and fish, and you can go, like, you're not supposed to, but I was fishing with a buddy who they know the owners of it, so, oh, man. And we were there, and some people yelled and were like, oh, Dad, don't you want to go fishing here one time? And he's like, yeah, but not for those fish. Those are trash fish. And then I was like, what? So you'd rather get skunked a whole day of fishing while you spent out here in this blazing sun rather than catching just a little fish, even if it's just a little guy, or even if it's a carp or a catfish. Who cares, bro? Oh my gosh, my rod, guys. Bro, I need to look at my rod tip. I'm sorry, fish. I'm sorry. Oh, it might be. This is a gooder. This is a bad. Oh no, he just jizzed all over me. No, I'm good.
That sounds like a big one.
Nope.
No?
I hate fishing with strangers, bro. Genuinely. Look. This. You think this is the same fish? Chat. It's the same fish. Sorry, my camera's tilted. My bad, guys. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Like, mwah. By the way, that was not me kissing the fish. Cut. Don't want to get hate, bro. I'm just hoping that, like, what I'm doing to these bass when I release them is the right thing. And let me know if I'm not. Like, I'm being so straight up. Like, let me know. Let me know. Oh, that's a wonky ass wacky. There. A little bit better. So 3 on the board. I think my dad has 2. So you know that feeling when your dad that taught you to fish isn't catching as much fish as you. You know that feeling, right? You don't, like, that's crazy wild game. I'm just spotting around with these weed beds. They look amazing, but I just don't know. Like, genuine question. Do the fish just like not like, do they just like swim? I know they swim through the weeds, obviously, but like on those weed beds, do they swim? Like, do they go like into it, or do they like just skip? Oh, look, and then this is what's beautiful about this. Like, there's literally a trail because everybody takes this because there's so many weeds, but the weeds make this like beautiful. Bro, all these shadows of everything is just tripping me out. Brother. Frick darn snap and doodle. I'm just kidding, guys. Whoa! Like, guys, look at this. This is the trouble of having a kayak. But obviously, most of you guys would like love to have this. But like sometimes, if you're in a really weedy lake, like sometimes the other one's benefit. Not gonna lie, cause like you get stuck so much, and like yes, you go faster. Yes, they're way more stable. Yes, they're nicer. But here's one pro tip: if you're in a lake like this, where there are so many weeds, it's hard to even go to any like to get to any spot. Yeah, no, that's you need. My dad, it's my grandpa bought me these, and my dad wants one so bad, but of course, like those are hella expensive. I still question why my grandpa even bought us these. So funny though. Cause like he could have probably bought a boat to go fishing on like this lake that he always fishes for walleye on. He fishes from shore. He gets his limit though. But genuinely, like, wouldn't you want to just get a boat? Like, I want a boat. I want to go fishing on a boat. Last time I went fishing on a boat was like 2-3 years ago. And Dad won't go let me go fishing with my buddies, so. Oh well, guys, stress will leave in with my subscribers. That's okay. Bro, where did my dad go? Like, all my life he might have disappeared. Like, over there, so where those, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a car and then there's like a dock over there, and apparently a guy caught like a 5-pounder. And he said it was big, but you know how some people are. I don't know if you want to believe people. That's what it is. I'd like to fish with my dad in sight. No, there he is. If he's any good, I'm gonna cast the shortest he's using. Like right there, maybe. There's just a jump to my right. Frick. Off the drop, like right away, like once I cast it off that drop, I usually don't let it sit right on. But I'm bad, because I have a habit of just like letting it sit for like 5 minutes. Like a minute straight. Oh, I had one. Bro, but like some of these bass, like they just sit on it. And then when you set it, like they'll start fighting. But you don't, you go like this. You see? Or it's a bluegill. I have no clue. Because they're not on for long enough. That probably means it's a bluegill. we're just gonna launch it. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, this bass jumped like right there. Oh, that might have been it was sort of a dot, but like, okay, we're gonna kind of stroll around, turn. I want to turn like flat this way real quick. Okay, guys, you can kind of get a better view on this shoreline over here. Still not great. I can see the bottom a little, way down there, but like, you guys probably can't. Fishing is rough. I wonder how mentally insane I've been getting from fishing. Is that the right word? Because isn't it sane, like, like you're good, like, right? Right? Sorry. I might be tripping out, guys. Ah! Ah! What did the flick just happened? What in the flick? What just happened? What actually just freaking happened? What the frick just happened? Chat. Oh, I just wrapped it around this a couple times. If only I had like, if I had like a boat, like imagine having a YouTube channel like this, but like a boat. And this isn't even a good YouTube channel, by the way, guys. And if you guys love Jesus and stuff, like, check out my shorts, because I spread the gospel. I'm pretty sure today was day 80. So, going strong. And sometimes I skip a day, but it's not like it's a streak. It's not like it's a streak, like day 80 streak, day 80 of a streak, or streak day 80, like, you know. It's not like a Snapchat streak. It's just a day and a time where I have to do it. Sometimes I accidentally do 2 times a day. Like the other night at like 11:50, I was like, wait, did I do it today? And I didn't know, because it said like, the thing said like 1 day ago, but why 1 day ago? I didn't know if it meant like if it meant like in the morning or something. But like, I was like, sometimes it glitches out and it doesn't actually tell you the real times and stuff. And then it like bugged out. And I bugged out. I shouldn't say it bugged out. I bugged out. And I was like, what? I was so confused for no reason. So I just uploaded another one. And I'm like, I guess it is not another day. But if I'm wrong, I feel bad, because I lied and it's not another day. Just kidding, guys. You know, God would love if I spread the gospel 2 times a day. But like, now it got me feeling bad, because I'm going to be like, I don't want to, but then I'm like, but 1 time a day is beautiful. And I don't like doing it 2 times a day, because 2 times a day, I would only have technically day 40. I'd be on like day 40, because I'm on day 80 right now. And if it, compared to the gospels I've spreaded, it's technically only day 40 if I did 2 times a day. And that's valid. It's valid, guys. God doesn't ask much out of you. Why did I keep getting into these conversations like this? Okay, anyways, that was for the people who would like to check that out. If you don't swing that way, that's fine. I can't think now. Just, you know, chill and just watch. It's okay. Oh, this might be a big one. Oh no, it's just a little guy that fights like hell. Guys, that's a spotted bass. I didn't know North Dakota had spotted bass. Like, guys, comment if this is a spotted bass or not. Sorry, fish can't see it right now. Look, is it a spotted? Is she spotted? That looks like a spotted bass, I swear. Oh, look at those. I just kind of go like that and just drop them in the water. Wolf bluegill. Okay, guys, I think that's it for the video today. Thank you guys for watching. Very fun talking to you guys, but I'm gonna fish on my own time, and I kind of just want to get talking to you guys out of the way, and I just want to fish. So thank you guys for watching. It was really fun talking to you guys. If you want more, let me know. If you want longer videos, let me know. I'll hook you guys up and link you. Okay, so see you guys later. Bye. Make sure to subscribe if you like it.